Students, your parents, they always tell you to drink milk daily. Why? Because milk is a complete food. And why milk is a complete food? Because milk is rich in calcium, minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. That means it contains all the necessary nutrients. And we should drink milk twice daily because it is good for our eyes, it is good for our bones, it is good for our brain. So we should drink milk daily. And then comes why we need to avoid junk food. I know children, we all love junk food, but junk food, they are very good to taste, but they are unhealthy for our body because they do not contain necessary nutrients and they make us obese. Obese means they make us fat, they make us weak and inactive also. So we should avoid junk food, and instead of junk food we should eat fruits, vegetables, vegetable salad and fruit custard, etc. What do you mean by exercise? Exercise means any activity which involves the movement of our body. Movement of our body means movement of our hands, movement of our legs, etc. So, any activity which involves the movement of our body is known as exercise. And examples of exercise are jumping, playing football or playing any other game, then swimming. And why we should exercise? We should exercise because it makes our muscles strong, or it makes our body strong. Then it gives shape to our body. Then it removes waste from our body in the form of sweat. Sweat, you know, pasina. So when we exercise, what happens? We sweat a lot, and sweat is nothing but waste. Then comes, it keeps us healthy and strong because exercise, when we exercise, what happens? Our whole body, it becomes active, and all the organs, they become healthy and strong. Students, now we are going to solve this exercise. This is part A. Let us solve it one by one. Take the right option. Now see here, the building blocks of our body, fats or proteins? Proteins. So put a tick mark over proteins. An example of complete food, what is it? Spinach or milk? Milk. Potato is rich in carbohydrates or fats? The answer is carbohydrates. Deficiency disease caused by lack of vitamin A? Poor vision or scurvy? It is poor vision. Then watermelon is a rich source of roughage or water? The answer is water. Now comes fill in the blanks. Proteins help us to dash our body. What is the answer? Proteins help us to repair our body. So the answer is repair. It is given. The options are given here. It is repair. Then comes vitamins and minerals help to dash our body from diseases. So what will be the answer? Protect. So this is answer number 2, protect. Then comes salad gives a lot of, what will be the answer? Roughage. And it is written here, roughage. This is answer number 3. Lack of iron in body causes, what will be the answer? Anemia. This is answer number 4. Then finally, jogging is a form of exercise. Answer number 5. Now part C, give one word for the following. Food substances that we eat, nutrients. So nutrients, nutrients. Then energy giving food. What is it? Carbohydrates. car, bohydrates, carbohydrates. Then body building food. What is the body building food? Proteins. proteins, proteins. Then comes helps in easy bowel movement. The answer is roughage. Bowel movement means it helps in the digestion and excretion of waste from our body, and the answer is roughage. Now keeps our body warm. The answer is fats. Fats, fats. Then comes take the food component present in the following. This is an apple. So what nutrient is present in the apple? Vitamins or carbohydrates? The answer is vitamins. All the fruits and vegetables, they contain vitamins. Then comes watermelon. This is watermelon. And which nutrient is present in watermelon? Which food component? The answer is water. Then comes fish. Now, in fish, what is present? Carbohydrates or proteins? The answer is proteins. Then, see here, match the following. Now here, you have to match the nutrients with the food items in which they are present. Now here see, first one is iron. Iron is present in, this is spinach. Then vitamin C is present in orange. Orange is a citrus fruit. Then comes carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present in rice. Fats. Now fats, they are present in butter. Then calcium. Calcium, they are present in milk. And then finally proteins. Protein, it is present in meat. Now comes, give one deficiency disease for the following. This you have already done, but we'll do it again. See here, iodine. Iodine, what is the deficiency of iodine causes? The deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Then calcium. Deficiency of calcium causes rickets. Rickets, in which the bones become very weak. Then comes iron. Iron. The deficiency of iron causes anemia. A-N-A-E-M-I-A. Anemia. Then comes vitamin D. The deficiency of vitamin D again causes rickets, or you can write here brittle bones. Brittle bones, B-R-I-T-T-L-E, brittle, B-O-N-E-S, bones. Now then comes vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy or swollen gums. True or false? First is carbohydrates are the building blocks of our body. This is false. What is the correct answer? Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Then comes water is not a nutrient. This is correct. This is true. Water is not a nutrient, but it helps in proper functioning of our body. Then comes roughage prevents scurvy. Now prevents means to stop. Roughage prevents scurvy. This is false. Vitamin C prevents scurvy. Then comes any activity involved with the movement of body is known as exercise. Yes, this is true. Young children need more proteins. Yes, this is also true.